Hello students, today I am going to explain chapter number 13, that is surface area and volumes. Ninth class we have learned lateral surface area, total surface area, volume of some three-dimensional figures like cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. So in this class we have small extension, that is combination of solids. Combination of solids. So that means, for example, if you take cylinder plus hemisphere, for example, here you see this is one cylinder, this one is hemisphere. If we join these together, we'll get some new formation. So in this class you are going to learn how to find the surface area of this combination of solid. It is a combination of cylinder and hemisphere. Next to here, this one is cylinder plus cone. Next to cylinder plus cone plus hemisphere. Now some combinations, cone plus hemisphere. Cone plus hemisphere. So this type of, here some new words, mounted and surmounted. So they will say like this cone is mounted on hemisphere. That means these two are joined together like this. Cone is mounted on hemisphere. In another way, the hemisphere surmounted by a cone. Anyway, the shape is same only. Mounted, surmounted. Once again, this cone is mounted on hemisphere. Next, hemisphere surmounted by a cone. So to find the surface area of these type of combination of solids, first we need to find, here you see the surface. This surface is nothing but CSA of cone. Next, this one is CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere is the total surface area of this solid. Volume is also same. The volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere is the volume of this solid. Next, if you take 3, here just I am taking, it is a combination of cone, cylinder, hemisphere, cylinder, cone. So to find the surface area of these type of solids, first you need to find CSA of cone. So this region is CSA of cylinder. Next, this one here I am adding, this is CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone is the total surface area of this figure. So all this I will explain one by one in exercise. Next to exercise questions, exercise 13.1, first exercise. Here question number 1, 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined into a, find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. If we attach 2 cubes, for example here you see this one is 1 cube, here another cube. If we attach these 2 cubes, we will get one cuboid formation. First one, taking cube. Volume of cube is given in the question. The volume of cube is 64 centimeter cube. So volume is equals to 64 centimeter cube. Volume of cuboid formula is S cube. So S cube is equals to 64. S equals to cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 is 4 centimeter. So one side, here length, breadth, height all are equals to, this one is 4 centimeter, height is also 4 centimeter. So like this we are adding 2 cubes, we are attaching, we are joining 2 cubes. resulting we will get one cuboid. So here I am taking one cuboid. So here you will get one cuboid. Just now I shown you this one, you take one cube, another cube, attach both. Here you see this one is 4 centimeter. This length is 4 centimeter, breadth is also 4 centimeter. But height is, this one is 4 plus 4. It becomes 8. So if we attach, if we join these two cubes, we will get one cuboid. So here I am taking the cuboid dimensions. Cuboid. So length is equals to, I am taking same 4 centimeters. Breadth is equals to also 4 centimeters. But this height, this 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Here this one is length, breadth, all are equal in cube. Length, breadth, height, all are equal. This one is 4 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. This height is also 4 centimeter. Here we are taking another cube now. That one is also 4 centimeter. So 4 plus 4, the height of the cuboid is equals to 8 centimeters. Now the question, we need to find the surface area. Surface means always you take the total surface area. Therefore, the total surface area of the cuboid, the formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now substitute all the values. TSA is equals to 2 into, so L is equals to 4 into 4, 4 into 4 plus BH 4 into 8 plus LH 4 into 8. So that is equals to TSA is equals to 2 into 4 into 4 16, 4 into 8 32 plus 4 into 8 32. Now we add all 2 into 2 plus 2 4 6 10 1 6 7 8. So total surface area of cuboid is equals to 82 160 centimeter square. So the total surface area. Here the question is asking surface area. Surface means always you find total surface area only. So total surface area is equals to 160 centimeters. Next, question number 2. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. Like this. It is mounted like this. So mounted, surmounted, here mounted. So we can say that this cylinder is mounted on hemisphere. In otherwise, the hemisphere surmounted by a cylinder. So understand the difference. Same only mounted, surmounted. This cylinder mounted on a hemisphere. Otherwise, hemisphere surmounted by a cylinder. So anyway, the figure is like this only. Hemisphere and cylinder, both are joined like this. So here I am writing the cylinder. Next one is hemisphere. First you write the dimension. Here cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeters. So here diameter is equals to 14 centimeters. So radius is equals to 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. So here hemisphere diameter, it is surmounted. It is mounted by cylinder. No? Here also the diameter of the cylinder is also 14 centimeter. So diameter here also, this one is also 14 centimeter. Radius is equals to 7 centimeter. Next, the total height. Here I am drawing the figure. Hemisphere. So the total height of the total height of the figure vessel is 13 centimeters. We need only height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is equals to this total length. From here to here it is 13 centimeter. From this just you subtract this part. So that is the nothing but radius of the hemisphere. So from here to here this one is 7 centimeter. The total length is 13 centimeter. You find the length of here I am taking OAB. AB is 7 centimeter. OB is 13 centimeter. Then OA is equals to 13 minus 7. So that is 6 centimeters. So height of the cylinder is equals to 6 centimeters. Now here vessel. Vessel is a combination of cylinder plus hemisphere. So finally they are asking the question is find the inner surface area. The inner surface area of this figure. So to finding inner surface area, we need to find the CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. So surface area of the vessel is equals to, here I am writing, surface area of the vessel is equals to surface area of vessel is equals to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere is equals to the total surface area of the vessel. Now CSA of cylinder formula is 2 pi r h plus CSA of hemisphere formula is 2 pi r square. This one is CSA of cylinder, 2 pi square is CSA of hemisphere. Now you take the common letter, 2 pi r is common, just to take out 2 pi r is common. So the remaining terms here h plus r. So 2 pi r, just to take common. Here remaining term is h. Here r square is 0. You will get r here. Now you substitute all the values. If the specified pi value is 3.14, you take 3.14. Otherwise you take 22 by 7. Here 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. R is equals to 7 centimeters. H equals to 6. R is equals to 7. So 2 pi r h plus r. 7 get cancel. So the remaining term 2 into surface area is equals to 2 into 22 into 6 plus 7 13. So 2 into 24, 2 into 24, 22 is 44 into 13, 52, 52, 5, 52, 5, 57. So 572 centimeter square. So therefore, the surface area of the vessel, the inner surface area of the vessel is equals to 572 centimeter square. Question 3. A toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 cm mounted on hemisphere. So hemisphere, cone is mounted on hemisphere. So figure is like this. This one is hemisphere, second one is cone. So here two are there. First one is cone. Next is hemisphere. So this toy is a combination of cone and hemisphere. It is cone plus hemisphere. So finally we need to find the total surface area of the star. So it is like this one is cone, here hemisphere. So the figure is like this. Cone is mounted on hemisphere. So to find this total surface area of this toy, we need to find CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Just to see the outer surface of this toy. This one is CSA of the cone. This surface is CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone is the total surface area of the toy. So here the question is total surface area of the toy is equals to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere is the total surface area of the toy. So here CSA of cone formula is pi r n. CSA of hemisphere formula is 2 pi r square. So in these two terms pi r is common. So pi r is equals to L plus, here L is there, here 2, here r in r square, 1 r is there. So pi r into L plus 2r. Now you see the given measurements. The radius is equals to 3.5 centimeters. So both are having same radius. Radius is equals to 3.5 centimeters. Next to clue, the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeters. So the total height means from here to here. The total height is 15.5 centimeters. So first you find the height of the cone. Here also I am taking, this one is O, A, B. So here the length of AB. AB is nothing but radius of the hemisphere. So the radius of the hemisphere is equals to 3.5. Now this OA is height of the cone. So to find the height of the cone, so the total length is 15.5. From this you subtract the radius of the hemisphere. That is 15.5 minus 3.5. So that is equals to 15 minus 3 will get 12 centimeters. So here you see the formula, pi is 22 by 7, r is 3.5, but we don't know the value of L. So we have a relation between L or H of the cone formula is that L square is always equals to r square plus H square. So using this relation, first we need to find the value of L. L is slant height of the cone. So this one is L. L is slant height of the cone. L square is equals to r square plus H square. So L square is equals to r value is 3.5. That means 3.5 square plus H is 12 square. So L square is equals to 35 into 35. 3 4s are 12. 1 2 2 5. So 12.25 plus 12 square is 144. So L is equals to 144 plus 12. That is 156.25. So square we are transposing to right side. This is square root of 15625. This one also easily we can guess. L is equals to square root of 25 is 5 point. Square root of 156 nearest perfect is 12. 12 square is 144. That is 12.5 centimeters. So the L value is 12.5. Now L value, R value, pi value, all the values replace in this formula. So now pi is 22 by 7. R is equals to 3.5. L, that is 12.5 plus 2 into R is 3.5. So 2 into 3.5. Now 7 ones are 7 5s are 35. So 0.5. 22 into 0.5. 22 5s are 110. 22 5s are 110. So 1 decimal. So here you will get 11 into 12.5 plus 3.5 into 2 is 7. So that is equals to 11 into 12 plus 7, 19.5. So 19.5 into 11. 19.5 into 11. 11 5 are 55, 5, 11 9 are 99, 99 plus 5 is 104, 10, 11 ones are 11 plus 10 is 214.5. So that is equals to 214.5 centimeter square is total surface area of the toy. So total surface area of the toy is equals to 214.5 centimeter square.